Hi, I am Kajer on Two Wheels, and today I will be test riding that, the Emirates Boeing 777-300ER. Well, I tried doing a walk around, but when I got down there, some guys in blue with lots of flashing lights tackled me, beat me up, and then told me I had to do it from up here. So here I am. I wonder if they'll let me. I can't do the walk around while I'm driving it, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do when I'm driving it. So let's see how that goes. So we're now inside the airplane. It's been flying for a couple of hours. I've tried to actually do a proper test ride, but when I got up front to sit in the driver's seat, well, these big blokes came along and just beat me up and threw me back in here. So I guess I'm not allowed to drive this. Too bad. I tried. I really did. Really wanted to see how it banked and accelerated. Well, that's definitely not gonna happen now. So let's go on to whatever I actually can review. So this is what they call the ICE, Information Communication Entertainment thingy. You have your USB port, which can charge your cell phone, which is cool. Some headphone ports where you can use your own headphones instead of those shitty ones they give you. You have this mystery button, which I have no idea what it does, no idea whatsoever. And we have this detachable command. Okay, I'm not going to pull it. It's supposed to be for gaming, because it's got buttons up here and buttons a bit everywhere, but I'll get to that in a moment. Now, when I looked at this, I thought, wow, cool game, so let's go for the games. Entertainment. No, whoops, sorry. Games. And now on games, notice that this is changing also. Now on games, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do action games. Oh cool, a mech game. And play. And this is what happens. Haven't yet found a game that actually works. Let's try to use something a little less demanding of whatever machine is back here. And craps. Nope. Just saw Interstellar, which is awesome. Never did get to see it. Can press here for the flight views. Like so. Actually, the seat next to me is empty, so I got lucky on that. And let's say flight altitude, blah blah blah, cameras. Notice that the movie can be playing here on the little corner, which I don't want. I'm just going to go home, info. That's the first time this is going slow on me. And here we are, look. Today's flight, all black, because I'm watching the ground camera. Because it's night. This is the front camera. All black, because it's night, but I saw a little flash here of light. Maybe another plane. Yeah, that's another plane over there. Look. Here, this is another airplane. Somewhere ahead of us. Very cool. Never thought I'd see this. Very nice. So now, airshow channel 1. See, this is the route. It keeps rotating stuff, okay? 554 miles per hour, 35,000 feet, outside temperature minus 52, distance traveled 2,000 miles, time to destination 3 hours, distance blah blah blah. This is a really cool thing that just keeps on rotating the dashboard here, okay? So moving on, let's try, I don't know how to play craps. Oh, I can play blackjack. Play. Work, 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 work. No work. No games for you. And back, and back. No games. But you got music, loads of music. Radio and podcasts, not really interested in that. TV shows, not really interested in that, but you got movies. Now check out the movies this guy has. Just new movies. And this is all for free. Hunger Games, Mockingjay, Theory of Everything, Paddington, The Imitation Game, Foxcatcher, John Wick, Interstellar, which I just saw. It's really cool. You watch 2 movies and your flight's done. So this is brilliant. Considering on my TAP Air Portugal last flight from America, where I had to endure what could be classified as torture, which was Queen Latifah's taxi. This is awesome. Okay, this is really, really nice. But my favorite feature is by far this, the info thingy. Let's see if the plane's still there. Info, today's flight, front. No, sorry. Front camera. Nope. No blinky lights anymore. News headlines. Well, if you don't want to use a touchscreen, you can always detach this, yeah, and use the control. But okay, it's not doing anything. Information. Let's just use the screen. See, this is me using the remote control. Duty-free shopping. That seems to be actually a browser. An HTML browser. Look, I'm over Egypt, next to Alexandria. And yeah, this is taking too long. Don't want to show you this. About us, about Dubai. Hey, why not about Dubai? If it actually loads. Okay. Well, back. You know, pretty cool phenomenon. These lights were white when we started, got brown as got orangey as we crossed the threshold during sunset, and now they're bluish, which is a really cool touch. Gives the cabin a soothing appeal. So yeah, what now? What now? Now time to Dubai, 3 hours 6 minutes. If I drop down this, what happens? Well, not much happens. You can always go full screen with this, which I don't want to. So that's basically the inboard entertainment, which still needs a few. Oh, I think, is this touchscreen? No, it isn't. Oh, it is. Cool. This is also touchscreen. Here, look. Home. Information. Today's flight. Launch on handset. Very cool. Can actually keep the camera here while I watch the movie up here. That's brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant. Ha! Fantastic. I'm just waiting for the meals to end so I can show you the rest of the plane, but in the meantime, that's why the GoPro selfie sticks. Oh, this is so cool. Look up. Look up. See those lights? Tell me that ain't cool. Well, that was just a quick peek, but I really like these above lights. Such a simple touch, such coolness. So what I'm going to see, obviously it's going to be Mockingjay. But before Mockingjay, I'm going to take a small walk around to show you the place. So we are about to land. Let's give you a small peek of the cabin for landing. Flaps seem to have gone down because from the wind noise, from the extra wind noise. And let's see, the front camera sees nothing. Bottom camera can also see absolutely nothing. Thing is, we're going to be held in a landing pattern for half an hour. See you soon. And it's time to land. Front camera. That's the problem with light landings. Can't really see anything, can you? It's 1 a.m. local and the temperature is like 21 at 1 a.m. Wow, that's impressive. Hot place, this Dubai. Who would have thunk it? So yeah, that's the test ride and review. Oh look, a street. That's the test drive and review of the Boeing 777-300ER. A little bit of trivia, it has the largest diameter engines in existence because it's only got 2 of them. Down here you can see the route, Damn You Air Show, and this is the front camera. Yeah, I can see things. Speed is 191 miles per hour, altitude 1,500 feet. Braking 186 miles per hour, flight 1,000 feet. Okay, now you can see, oh, there's the landing strip. From the window off to my right, you can barely see the town. Look, seems dusty. Look, here's the runway. On the bottom one's bottom camera. And that was a bit of a side wind. More side wind. Quite a bump. Show 2. This is really annoying. Whenever the public address is being fired, this window pops up and you can't use it because it blocks. It's annoying because it's in Arabic, then in English, then in this case Portuguese, then in Brazilian, then a multitude of languages. In the meantime, you are stopped waiting for something. So yeah, that's it. Stage route.